The 2011 Honda CR-Z by Eibach Springs. Here's another Honda CR-Z that made a SEMA comeback after its debut at the 2010 SEMA Auto Show. Courtesy of Eibach Springs, this 2011 CR-Z was retooled and modified to become the kind of car everybody has always known the CR-Z could become. The look of the CR-Z hybrid suggests the extensive work Eibach Springs did to make it look the way it does. Among the added elements on the exterior are a C West aero kit, a Mugen spoiler, an elaborate paint scheme and graphics, a new suspension program courtesy of Eibach, and a big brake kit from Stoptech. Inside, the standard features of the CR-Z were taken out in favor of a complete racing setup that includes Sparco seats and a full roll bar. But the most important order of business involving this project was taking out the original hybrid drivetrain of the CR-Z and replacing it with a 2.4-liter K24 four-cylinder engine from an Acura TSX. This new engine produces 280 horsepower and gets some extra help from K&N with a new intake system. Seeing as the CR-Z's original IMA hybrid system is made up of a 1.5-liter engine combined with an electric motor that provides a total of 124 horsepower and 131 pounds-per-foot of torque, we're thinking that 280 ponies is a very significant upgrade. But there's more. According to some folks from Eibach Springs, this particular CR-Z will still receive a supercharger after SEMA, which means that when all is said and done, it's going to pack way more than just 280 horsepower.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.